Premium pencils begin with incense cedar, a lightweight timber valued for its straight grain, clean cutting properties, and long-term dimensional stability. Modern pencil factories depend on tightly coordinated timber logistics systems capable of transporting thousands of processed cedar logs every week. Debarking systems remove contaminants and outer bark layers that could damage precision milling equipment during later production stages. Computer-guided milling systems optimize each cedar log to maximize usable material while maintaining strict dimensional accuracy. Controlled kiln drying reduces internal moisture levels, preventing future warping while stabilizing the cedar for precision machining. Digital calibration systems continuously measure moisture content to maintain structural consistency across millions of manufactured pencils. Precision surfacing machines calibrate every cedar slat to exact tolerances required for automated pencil assembly systems. Pencil cores are engineered from carefully balanced mixtures of graphite and clay, determining both hardness and writing performance. Vacuum refining removes microscopic air pockets that could weaken the graphite core during writing and sharpening. Extrusion technology forms graphite cores with microscopic dimensional precision, essential for consistent writing performance. Controlled drying stabilizes the graphite structure while preventing internal fractures that could weaken the finished pencil core. High-temperature firing permanently stabilizes the graphite structure, enhancing durability and ensuring consistent writing performance. Wax and oil treatments reduce friction between graphite and paper fibers, significantly improving writing smoothness and consistency. Precision-cut grooves ensure exact placement and alignment of graphite cores within every pencil structure.
Automated placement systems position graphite cores with sub-millimeter accuracy to ensure consistent writing performance across every pencil produced.
Controlled adhesive application ensures structural integrity between cedar layers while preserving precise internal graphite alignment.
Layered assembly ensures graphite cores are fully encapsulated within precisely aligned cedar structures for consistent structural integrity.
High-pressure bonding permanently fuses cedar layers, creating a unified composite structure that securely encapsulates the graphite core.
Precision milling transforms bonded cedar blocks into ergonomically shaped pencil bodies while maintaining exact graphite core alignment.
Automated separation systems divide multi-pencil assemblies into perfectly dimensioned individual units ready for surface finishing. Surface finishing removes microscopic imperfections that could interfere with coating adhesion and long-term durability.
Compressed air systems remove residual microscopic particles to ensure a perfectly clean surface for coating adhesion.
The lacquer coating provides protective durability while defining the pencil's recognizable industrial finish. Controlled thermal curing solidifies the lacquer layer, ensuring durability, adhesion, and long-term surface stability.
Multiple finishing layers increase abrasion resistance while creating the smooth, reflective surface associated with premium-grade pencils.
Thermal foil stamping permanently bonds identification markings into the lacquer surface without compromising structural durability.
Aluminum ferrules are engineered to maintain structural compression while securely connecting the eraser to the pencil body.
Modern erasers use engineered polymer compounds designed to remove graphite efficiently while minimizing paper surface damage. Automated insertion systems maintain precise eraser positioning to ensure reliable performance and structural consistency. Sharpening analysis evaluates graphite centering, wood integrity, and structural resistance under controlled mechanical stress.
Automated writing analysis measures friction, line consistency, and graphite transfer efficiency under standardized laboratory conditions. Mechanical stress analysis verifies structural durability, ensuring pencils withstand repeated handling, sharpening, and writing pressure. Automated sorting systems organize pencils by production specifications while maintaining continuous high-volume manufacturing efficiency.
Automated packaging systems maintain product alignment and protection while optimizing large-scale distribution efficiency.
Integrated warehouse systems coordinate inventory movement and global distribution through fully synchronized logistics automation.